Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing a unboxing of the February's Boxy charm. I've had no spoilers. I have not looked inside of it. I've had it for a couple of days, but my camera battery, both of them were dead, so I needed to charge them. I'm also in a new location. My parents are out of town, so I kind of have to be upstairs with our dog. So if you'd like to see what came in February's box, just keep watching. Okay, like I said, this is February's box. This is the cheat sheet, but it's Be My Glamourton is the theme. Okay, let's get into this. It's the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. My county that I live in has just lifted the mask mandate. I'm on vacation, so I don't actually know if it's been lifted at my place of work yet. I'm actually going to text my boss and ask. But if it has, my makeup routine will be back to normal. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So that's what these look like. Wow. Okay. I really like these. Alright, so that's that. Next we have OPV Beauty London Loose Setting Powder. Ooh, gosh. If we go back to going without masks, this is going to be crazy. Oh, wow. This thing's huge. Oh, it's colored, though. And it's a little too dark for me. Right. So there's that. Let's see. I don't know how to pronounce this. Yinzina? I don't know. Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. That's the next thing that came in this. Okay. That's just what the packaging looks like. It does have a stopper on there, so... Alright, next thing we have Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. Okay. So that's what the packaging looks like. And it says it's cruelty-free and vegan. So I'm just going to assume it's a black liner, because it's, yeah, black. Oh boy. Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Oh wow, okay, this looks kind of cool. Okay, let's see here. Let's pull this out. Okay, so it looks like this. It's got a sponge on one end, a brush on that end. I think you pull, yep. Then you got another brush. And another brush. Okay, that's interesting. I've never seen something like that before. And there we go. And it's back together. So that is it for everything that came in my BoxyCharm monthly box. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.